just how to mask off a window. We're only masking it off so we can spray. We're gonna repair that here before we spray, obviously. But this is just to mask it off so that we can protect the window and all this stuff. We might wanna, we'll open this up a little bit so we get some light through there before we cover it. So this is, we're prepping just to spray woodwork and ceilings, not walls. So we're just, and I'm gonna go a little bit low so we can still dig those out a little bit. This is some 6-foot plastic we're using. And go a little bit big just so we tape it down. And then we're just gonna pull it down here. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Some 2-inch tape here. And this we want to just tack it down so it's not going to move around like crazy. We don't have to fully tape the whole thing. If we were trying to spray the walls, we'd be taping it a little bit different. And I'll go back to this corner so we can try to make it a little bit tight. Now this is going to protect our window and our blinds from getting any kind of overspray on. Alright, that is it. Now we can spray the ceilings and we don't have to worry about any paint getting on here. We can spray the doors in here after the ceilings. We don't have to worry about any paint getting on.